unboxing videos. Come on, dude. Alright, are you ready?
Sure, dude.
Alright, here's the first one.
Get what?
Alright, TPA Nunu. I own that skin, alright? I like it. Alright, Temple Jacks. Okay, that could be yours.
Oh, that's good. Man.
And 2 Project Cores. Alright.
Nice.
Alright. And Chosen I like it. Chosen Master, you gotta own that skin. Alright, El Macho Mundo. Macho.
Nice. Macho Mundo.
El Macho Mundo. And 2 Project Cores. Alright. Samsung White Rengar. Nice, I own that skin. El Leon Nar. Good, I play that champion.
I kind of want to disenchant this, upgrade this to a skin permanent, but I don't really want to play Ari, so I'm not going to get Dynasty Ari. Actually, no. I actually like all these skins, so I'm going to keep them.
Hey dude, I got Mecha Zero Scion, an actual skin.
You got that?
Yeah. Oh, and I got Hearthstone Krakus. I love Hearthstone Krakus. Firefang Warwick. Coral Reef Malphite.
Just the best one.
Yeah, man. Hextech Anivia. I saw Hextech and I was like, is that Annie? Commando Lux.
Such good skins.
These skins suck.
What are you talking about?
Alright, Captain Fortune, kill me now. Glaive Warrior Pantheon, like I'll ever play that character. 2 Project Core. Alright, we got 4 left. Let's go. Pirate Rise.
They need to update Anivia's card arts other than like Black Frost and Prehistoric, because like I cannot tell that Bird of Prey Anivia is an eagle. It looks like just a metal eagle.
I can tell it's an eagle.
I couldn't. And when I saw it in game, I was like, wait, that's so cool. And then when I look at the card art, it looks like it's a metal bird made of, like, god.
I got Richard Gragas.
Richard Gragas? What's on that one? October 5th.
Are you drunk?
No.
Super fan Gragas. I got Warmonger Scion, Debonair Galio, and my 2 Project. Wait, I own Debonair Galio. Kill me now.
Why do you own Debonair Galio?
Don't ask. Pharaoh Amumu. Santa Graggy.
I have Santa Gragas card thing. Shard.
And finally, the magnificent Twisted Fate. TPA Shen. And 2 Project Core. Oh, and an Augment Cache Fragment. Alright. Are there any of the... Do I want any of these skins is the first question. Maybe Mecha Zero Giant, but that costs so much. I'm just gonna reroll these. I'll reroll most of the ones I own. 100 Chocolate Orange Essence. And Shadow Prince Malzahar, the bad one.
Jesus Christ, Adam, why did you buy so many crates?
Dude, I only bought 11. Oh, I have to add a Warwick skin to my collection. I'll keep that. Alright, rip TPA Shen and TPA New. Do I own any other of these skins? No. Alright, which skin do I not want? Sheriff Caitlyn.
Sheriff Caitlyn. You're gonna get that one?
I got Little Knight Amu. No, the ones I don't want.
Oh.
I might use Santa Gragas, which means the other two skins are useless. I'll probably never use Hextech Anivia or Temple Jacks. Project Fiora, alright. I'm okay with that. Hey Peter, say goodbye to Coral Reef Malphite.
No.
I gotta get a good
Re-roll
skin.
it.
I rerolled it. 100 Orange Essence. And Red Riding Annie. Kill me.
And what?
Red Riding Annie.